Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the left lower door hinge on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 5mm Allen wrench. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 mounting screws, securing the hinge cover. Set the cover aside. Pull back the plastic covering, then depress the tab to disconnect the large wire harness. Depress the tab to disconnect the small wire harness. Next, depress the retaining ring to release the water line from the tubing connector. Have an assistant help to hold the door as you release the upper hinge support. Lift the front of the hinge out of the door first, then pull the hinge free of the bracket and detach it from the wires and water line. Carefully lift the door off the lower hinge and set it aside. Lift off the hinge bushing. Open the freezer drawer. Then use the 5mm Allen wrench to unthread the 2 right side screws, securing the lower hinge. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the left side screw to fully release the old hinge. To install the new lower door hinge, align it on the frame and thread the 2 right side screws first. Thread the left side screw to fully secure. Align the bushing. Reinstall the door by setting it on the bushing. Close the door and reinstall the upper hinge by first aligning the wires and water line in the hinge slot. Insert the rear tab into the bracket, then insert the front of the hinge into the door. Align the hinge support on the support bracket and push the support down to secure the hinge. Fully insert the water line in the tubing connector. Reconnect the small wire harness, as well as the large wire harness. Reposition the cover and rethread the 3 mounting screws. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.